This segment of Coast Life is sponsored by the Spice and Tea Exchange of Rehoboth.
Maybe you had a stressful week back to school or a stressful 2 weeks, and that's okay. There's no better way to de-stress than with some good food, good people, and a great cookout. And to help you prep for those plans, of course, we are hanging out at the Spice and Tea Exchange on Rehoboth Avenue in Rehoboth Beach. I am with Rob and Robin West. You guys, we love coming in here because the store always smells amazing. Everything I've ever tried here tastes amazing. And I think my favorite part about coming in here is that you guys as the staff have such great ideas to help, you know, me, a person who does not really know how to cook that well, elevate some basic food and really utilize all these beautiful and amazing spices that you have in store. So let's dig in. You can tell that we've got a beautiful spread before us. We're helping people maybe get ready for some cooking back to school stuff, maybe a little cookout for end of summer send off. What are we looking at?
So we're looking at skewers today. So
Yum.
Barbecue, family, friends, enjoyment.
Yep.
On the first skewer that we have here to our your left is called the Coastal Kebab.
Yum. So that's this one right here. Yep.
Absolutely. We did chicken breasts, red peppers, green bell peppers, red bell peppers. Skewered them up, seasoned them, shook them down. They're amazing. They're quick.
They look amazing.
Absolutely. And they come with this fantastic coastal dip here that's made with sour cream.
Perfect.
And 2 tablespoons of coastal seasoning. And
Awesome.
just whip it up really quick and
Amazing, which you can find right here in the store. So it's all just comes together really quick. And what my favorite part of this job is when we get to try stuff, you know, because you never leave hungry.
As you read, Leah, what you'll put taste in our coastal is a dill and onion.
Ooh, okay. It's very light, very refreshing. I think perfect for, you know, we're still dealing with some of that hot weather, so you don't necessarily want something super heavy. And that is definitely delicious. Stamp of approval.
Good for seafood, anything.
I'm gonna take another bite while you tell us what's next on our list.
all right, so next we have the Caribbean skewer kebab. Again, we did chicken. We went with thighs on this take.
Yum.
Vidalia onions, green bell peppers, pineapples, red bell peppers, red onions,
Okay.
and nice color to it. Thighs obviously have a lot of flavor.
Yeah. So I'm thinking we're kind of getting a little bit of sweet tart from the pineapple and savory from a little bit of everything else.
It has this fantastic salt here.
Ooh.
It has a little kick on the back end. So.
Ooh, okay. I like the sound of that. Let's give this one a try. Oh yeah, that's good.
So you get sweet, then you get a little bit of the heat. You can jerk and it's chili.
I am very much ooh, and like with a good rice,
Absolutely.
this would be, I would tear this up. All right.
Pretty good for comfort. You've got some nutmeg, allspice.
That's true. Perfect as we kind of change over from summer to fall. This is a dinner that could last you a couple weeks here. What else do we have?
And then to pair with your kebabs, we have, and you're not going to try any today because I know you've had it, but we have
Yes.
the ice Emperor's Chai, which is a black
Ooh,
and it's got some cardamom, some ginger. It's got your normal tea or chai spices in it.
delicious. Yes, I have tried that one before, and I know that you guys have like a pumpkin ice cream recipe that goes with that tea, I think, if I'm not mistaken, and I tried making it.
Make it well.
I made it okay. I made it okay. I think I need a better tin to freeze it in than what I chose, but we'll wait for dessert. What else do we have here to try that people can try cooking at home for their sort of end of summer cookouts?
All right, so we did potato salads 2 different ways.
Ooh.
Grandmom's recipe on one of our recipe cards, rustic warm German potato.
Yeah, check that out.
And then on the other side, we have a cold potato salad, which is like a bacon and ranch.
Okay.
That you're tasting.
Yum.
The cheese, the chives, the boiled eggs, and
Every single word that just came out of your mouth are some of my favorite things. Bacon, ranch, chives, it's all good stuff.
some celery. I mean, it's a mouthful.
And a wonderful mouthful.
Every
at that.
family has like one person like that they cook like the best potato salad. So you got to find that person at home.
It's not me yet, but with this recipe, it will be. And I mean, all of these spice blends that we're talking about, you can find here at the Spice and Tea Exchange.
Yes, all of them.
Awesome.
On the potato salad that you're currently eating, you've got the tailgaters, which actually is really good on burgers as well.
Ooh.
It's got some horseradish, some Worcestershire, whatever you say, word.
Yeah.
Powder in it.
That one's never easy.
And then the Rocky Garden Ranch, which is a little bit like your traditional ranch. It's got some Romano cheese and some tomato powder.
Yeah. And I know most of these have been kind of meat-heavy dishes, but I know that vegetarian diets, vegan diets are very popular these days, and we're not forgetting about those friends either. You've got a dish for them too, right?
Absolutely. We have a plant-based chicken.
Ooh.
We were going to do tofu, but we figured we would mix it up.
I like that.
We'd do like a decompressed skewer, you know, for those who don't want to.
Looks like chicken.
For about 20 minutes and, you know, get all into it. So plant-based chicken, great substitute. Kind of like the tofu, it absorbs, you know, everything you put in it. So we did a nice marinade of the backwoods hickory rub. Very simple, you know, some diced onions, some sweet peppers, a little potato.
Sounds good to me. I'm going to give this a bite. Robin, what's in the spice blend?
So that one's going to be more of a barbecue. It's got some hickory.
Ooh.
Yes. It's a little bit smokier, but it is one of our most popular. People do love it.
I can see why. Because that's delicious. And I think even on a plant-based meal, if you're not vegetarian, never would have known that that wasn't chicken. That's an amazing spice blend to kind of hide that. Pretty much, yeah, more or less. So like we said, all of these spice blends are available here at the Spice and Tea Exchange. Of course, the amazing and wonderful teas that you can pair with them. And they're all amazing, and you can find fall tastes, summer tastes, whatever your taste is, you can definitely find it here at the Spice and Tea Exchange. So I'm gonna finish off some of these plates because, again, they're all amazing. So get down here, and if you have any questions, the staff is so knowledgeable and they can answer any questions that you have. So thank you guys.
Thank you.
Yep, but don't go anywhere. We've got a little more to get to when we get back.